Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. It's 2024 and I'm so excited for my first video with a brand new way to stay on track. Let's be honest, last 1.5 year was a bit of whirlwind. I felt totally lost. Like I do not have any clear direction to my goals. So that's why I decided it was time for a change. I needed a way to hold myself accountable, to keep my daily, weekly, and monthly goals in front of my eyes so I can be focused. And you know what? I have found a perfect solution, a beautiful year journal from Artloom. I got this beauty on 2nd January, which is late, but we can manage. This is my first time ever going all in on daily journaling, and I'm little nervous but mostly excited. So let's dive into this gorgeous thing together. Let's unpack this package and let's see what is inside it. I'm so excited. This is my first unboxing. Wow, it has a beautiful goodies. Wow, I can see it contains sticker notepad with the beautiful stickers, sticky notepad, a bookmark, a pouch for carrying things, a notepad for jotting down our all thoughts. It has a journal. Let's open it. Wow, it has a beautiful cover. It comes with a journal, like beautiful floral prints, monthly calendar, fun game page, vision board. We have enough space for planning our month. It comes with a habit tracker, to-do list, finance tracker, enough space for planning our daily life. Okay, yeah, it comes with a monthly reflection at the end of each month, which is very good, so we can come back and look how far we have come. This was all about the journaling. Thank you for joining me for the first video of the year. I cannot wait to share my journaling journey with you all. I hope it inspires you to create your own amazing journey.